Adobe InDesign. What is it and what is it good for? If you're new to the program and want to learn more about it, then join me as we discuss what makes InDesign the best program for publication design. So let's get into it. So Adobe InDesign is part of the Adobe Creative Suite, and since its release has become the industry standard for professional designers to create quality design for print and digital publishing. InDesign is essentially a desktop publishing app and was created specifically for layout. If you need to create layouts for brochures, leaflets, business cards, posters, books, menus, presentations, flyers, and even social media posts, InDesign is the program to create them in. And in recent years, InDesign has included interactive features where you can create layouts for digital publishing to include interactivity, animations, video, and audio. Now, some of you may be familiar with other apps like Adobe Illustrator, where it is possible to create layouts for publishing, but it's important to keep in mind that Illustrator does have its limits. Illustrator is not a desktop publishing app, so does not have the powerful tools like InDesign, where you can easily create multi-page documents, use parent pages, add interactivity, manage multiple images, manage multiple pages, work with enhanced text and table features with powerful exporting capabilities. If you're a beginner to design, then programs like Photoshop and Illustrator and apps like Canva are the gateway apps. These software tools are easy to pick up and seem the most creative, but if you're serious about design, you should get into InDesign because this is the key to professional design and layout. When it comes to anything layout with more than 2 pages for print, InDesign is the best application to use. So InDesign was originally released back in 1999, and since then has been a huge change in the way we consume content. Today, InDesign has evolved to become a powerful tool not only for print but for digital design, where we can create rich interactivity and include motion graphics. Want to create booklets and brochures? No problem. Want to create social media campaigns and carousel posts? Easy peasy. Want to create an interactive PDF for your clients? InDesign has you covered. Want to create an ebook? Piece of cake. And if you want to create an interactive presentation for an event or conference, InDesign has all the functionality you need. There is nothing you cannot do when it comes to publishing in InDesign. In this course, you are going to learn how powerful this program really is, and the synergy InDesign has with other programs such as Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. No matter what your creative field, once you learn InDesign and get comfortable with InDesign, it's really going to inspire your creativity in new ways. InDesign is one of my favorite programs for many reasons, which we will be discovering in this course. So now we have a good understanding of InDesign, what it is and what it's good for. It's time to jump in. Now, for those who are unfamiliar with InDesign, like most programs, the interface can initially appear confusing as there is a lot going on and a lot to take in. But don't worry, in the next video, we're going to take a look at the interface where all will be revealed. In the next video, I'm going to show you around and introduce you to some of the key things you need to be aware of. So see you in the next video.